Quadra is a powerful, high-resolution estimating tool designed to streamline the quoting and sales process. Use only one tool to quickly and accurately estimate large projects, small jobs, and maintenance contracts. Why continue with old legacy systems or Excel when you can be up and running in hours with Quadra's cloud-based solution? With minimal training, your users can be creating accurate quotes quickly. You can also integrate with your ERP using Quadra's advanced API. Job cost and project estimating. Does your team still use Excel to estimate large projects? Are you confident that all formulas are accurate and not being altered accidentally? Are your estimators using the right spreadsheet? Are they reluctant to use anything else? If so, then Quadra is a great option. Entire project teams can simultaneously work on quotes with full import and export functionality, eliminating duplicate entry and other risks. Improve productivity and accountability, and increase your project diligence from estimation to construction through job close. Service contracts. Quadra Service Contract is a powerful estimating sales tool that comes fully loaded with equipment and tasking libraries, allowing you to start quoting right away. The survey feature allows your users to survey the equipment and have those records added to a service contract quote in real time. They can record pictures and all the relevant data in the field, easily navigate and fine-tune contracts, adjust the frequency of tasks, materials required, skill levels to complete, and simply remove tasks clients will do themselves. You can also renew contracts in minutes by copying the previous year's contract and modifying as needed. Service call quoting. To improve sales, your technicians are often your best sales team. The Quadra mobile app allows your technicians to create quotes themselves or notify the office that a quote is required. All users can select from pre-configured templates and access material pricing in real time. The technician can either produce the quote letter while on location and have the customer sign it in person, or the quote details can be sent back to the office, notifying your inside sales team so they can complete the process. Either way, your customers are getting their quotes quickly and accurately, which drives more sales. Take the guessing out of quoting with Quadra. To learn more about Quadra or to arrange for a demo and obtain a 30-day trial version with no obligation, contact ERTH at quadrademo@erthcorp.com.